Hey everyone, so today I'm going to tour you through this 13-foot Trillium trailer that you see behind me. This is something Dave and I tried camping in a few times before we decided to buy the Casita. And really one of the primary reasons we didn't go with the 13-footer was the only thing that this is missing is a washroom that came in our Casita. Otherwise, it pretty much has all the same features and options that our brand new Casita does, and this is a 1976, so pretty cool to see just how well it stood up over time. So let's have a look at the outside first, and then I'll give you a tour of the inside. So the first thing you'll notice as we walk around the exterior of the trailer is it still has quite a shine to it. It's been polished and waxed and shined a lot throughout the years. For a 1976, that's not something you see very often. Propane tank and a deep cycle battery on the front. Lots of nice big windows around this trailer, so although it's a small space, it does feel pretty bright inside. You've got your refrigerator vents there. You've got your power hookup, your drain, your freshwater hookup, furnace outlet. We continue around the back here. You've got your cable hookup for your TV. And you've got your fill for your freshwater tank. This one does come with an awning that you see flipped up at the top there. That's kind of a nice feature. And next we'll have a look inside. Alright, so as we walk into the trailer here, you'll immediately see there's a good sized Dometic fridge. Interesting because our brand new Casita also has a Dometic fridge, and this is a 1976 as I mentioned earlier, so you know the technology is good. To the side here you see a couch, and this couch actually flips up into a bunk bed. So if you've got some kids or a group of people, it's great for that. It does make up into two decent sized bunk beds. Nice twin sizes there. Just continue into the trailer here. You can see the Trilliums of this era have the storage shelf around the top. And then if we continue around to the kitchen here, we've got some good cupboard space. Plenty of room for most of your needs. And if I look around the top here again, there's some more shelf space, all open space. We flip back around to the door area. Got some more good sized deep cupboard space at the top here. And then we have a fair sized closet as well. And of course a little bit more cupboard space on the bottom, and then also underneath the bunk bed. Of course you can access that cupboard space as well by lifting the cushion. You'll also see those metal posts there, and that's what you use to prop up the bunk bed. So those two go into place into these holes. And this back cushion actually flips up, and that turns into your bunk. Nice little side table next to the stovetop, which gives you a little bit more counter space. Got a drawer for your utensils, dual burner stovetop, got a nice size sink. Do have this cover that flips down onto the stovetop, which is really nice because again it gives you lots of counter space. Got a furnace here. We have tested that out a few times in colder weather, and it does a really great job of heating it up, even when you're up here in Northern Ontario. And then at the back here, you've got your typical trailer table that flips down into a good sized double bed. Cool other little feature here. utensil tray that goes right under the table there, so that actually gives you a little bit more space in your drawer in your kitchen for other things. Got a mounting bracket for a TV at the back there, and of course all of our typical lights. So as you can see, very good shape. I would love to see other trailers of this vintage that are generally almost fully original and still in this kind of condition. The floor has been replaced, and that carpet under the table, I imagine, has probably been replaced at some point, but you can see it looks almost brand new. Cushions as well would have been refinished at some point. Very good condition, no stains, hardly looks like they've been used, to be honest. So yeah, that's a little tour of this 13-foot Trillium trailer. Hope you enjoyed. I'll leave you now with a few more photos of the interior and exterior of the trailer. And remember, this trailer is actually for sale right now. So if you know someone who's interested, please get in touch with us and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.